I hear the rain too. Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be. You gotta show me. Hold it up. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created. You got it backwards, honey. There you go. And now it's upside down. The template for the sour straws. Yeah. The template that I actually came up with is a little bit more adjusted than this. It actually goes edge to edge. But if you want to stay tuned and see pretty much the process, because y'all, it was a process for this one, that it took to come up with this template, stay tuned, and it will be on my Patreon page, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Alright, you guys, so I am here, and I am going to be assembling the template for the sour straws. I do have one already printed out. I'm going to run this one through my sticker machine, of course. But for those of you that do not have a sticker machine, you can just go ahead and put it on and, you know, just glue or tape it down. That way it works fine too. But y'all, I'm about to go ahead and run this through. Y'all know me. Shoot. Oh shoot. I just put this paper in here and I forgot to I just switched out the cartridges, and I did not put this in here the correct way. I gotta feed the paper through the back. Okay, now it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this go ahead and run through. And as you see, it is coming out the back. Is it done yet? I can't even see. Okay, yes, it is done. So there we have the label, Nevaeh Sour Straws. I'm going to go ahead and just rub this on the paper. Make sure that it gets sticky. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, y'all. That was my bad. My kids banging on the door. Okay. Now, there is nothing wrong with using, you know, paper template. Like I said, tape it, glue it on there. Nothing wrong with that. But I'm going to be using this one. And if you look and see where this black part, the darker black part is, that is pretty much all of the space that you have to go on the front. Y'all, just flying my craft room is getting on my goddamn nerves. That's all the space that I have, so I'm just going to go ahead and pre-fold it. That way I, you know, I guess I know where to, I guess that don't matter. Okay, I'm not going to pre-fold it. I'm just going to try to go ahead and slap this thing on here, and hopefully it goes on right. Like a sticker. So, y'all, this thing is like super, super, super sticky. Okay. So, yeah, let's see how this works. I've never done this template for this type of label before. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Now, see, that went all the way to that end. But now it's a little short on the other end. But it is, I mean, it's sticking nicely. No problems with that at all. I mean, it's on there. Oh, it's upside down. Nevaeh's Sour Straws. Look at that. That is super cute. this way. Yep, super cute. I didn't take it all the way down just because I felt like there was nothing wrong with like the clear part showing. But if you want to, you can make it a little bit wider, I guess, to go all the way over it if you wanted to. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm about to make another one really quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to take off this old template. And hopefully this new one that I came up with works amazing. You guys, this stuff is really like stuck on here. Jesus. Look at that. Whoa, that is like sticky, sticky, sticky. Alright, I ain't got time for all that. So, we just gonna go ahead and peel this new template off and see if this one is better. Hopefully it covers the whole thing like I'm hoping it will. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay this down flat just to see if it does cover the whole thing right here. Oh, no, don't go down yet. Not yet, not yet. Y'all, it is raining. Okay, well, it does look like it covers a lot more, I will tell you that. My son just busting up in here, y'all, like, he owned the place. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Yes, that's what it looks like. And this one does go a little bit more edge to edge. I'm going to make it a tad bit bigger so that it actually covers it completely. So the template that I give you will cover from edge to edge. So if you have, the template will be on my Patreon page. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very, very soon.